Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick rundown, quick intro to what I want my next series to be. This isn't going to interrupt with war driving or anything. I'm going to continue war driving stuff. I'll continue HackerBox's stuff. But I want to start a new series based on something I want to learn, something I've wanted to learn for a long time. And that is just basic electronic circuits, PCB design, stuff like that. And right now the plan is to start with something like this old basic electronics part kit I got from Radio Shack years and years ago, and a breadboard, and making some simple circuits using the parts from here. I've got some other parts as well, and just learning basic circuits. And then once we get through a lot of those basics, and even maybe during that time throw in some learning microcontrollers, which would cause us to learn a little bit of program as well. I will be completely new to this. I think this will be a good series because it'll force me to learn it before I make the video, and therefore we can all learn at the same time. Um, I do want to open up any suggestions anyone has for this video series. On one of my previous videos I mentioned I wanted to do this, and there was a lot of feedback that it'd be something y'all would really enjoy. So if you have any ideas of different projects that would be worth doing, let me know. I definitely want to get into PCB design some. Do build my own PCBs, kind of like Jay Hewitt does with these WarDriver boards, or like with these Raspberry Pi Wiggle 4 or Wiggle bottle breakout boards, and even get to the point of making my own badges, even if they're, just the simple light up badges. But that is my end goal, is to be able to do my own PCB design, start coming up with my own ideas. I really love the ESP32 program, and one of our projects somewhere down the line will be just taking an ESP32 and a GPS unit and creating our own little war driver just using those two devices. But if you have any other ideas, any suggestions for good ways to go in learning this, or different paths we should take, again, I want to do this with y'all. Let me know, and I'll take it into consideration, and I'll start putting together different videos. I also want to take the time in this video to remind y'all that Friday, 7/7, I will be announcing the winner of the War Driver kit that I built in my last video. And if you haven't subscribed and you would like a chance to win this War Driver kit completed with 3D printed case and everything, then go ahead and subscribe, and I will announce that winner on Friday. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for subscribing, those that have. If you haven't, go hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Help me grow some more so that we can continue to do more and more stuff. Thanks for all the support. It's been greatly appreciated. I look forward to this new series and look forward to hearing from y'all. We'll see you next time.